Adjusting the auto answer call duration on your iPhone 16 helps customize how long your phone waits before automatically answering incoming calls. This can be useful for accessibility needs or hands-free operation. Here's how to access and manage this setting on the new iOS smartphone. First, navigate to the home screen and tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. From the accessibility screen, tap on touch. Next, scroll down and tap on call audio routing. Now tap on auto answer calls and make sure the auto answer call switch is enabled. After that, you can use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the time duration. The time you set determines how many seconds your iPhone will wait before automatically answering an incoming call. You can place a test call to your iPhone 16 with any other phone you've got to see how it actually works. If necessary, you can make further adjustments by following the same steps. And that's how you adjust the auto answer call duration on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more smartphone tips and tutorial videos like this one.